Good day everyone. Mag-test tayo ng order ni Sir Leonardo Reyes of Pulilan, Bulacan. Cash on delivery ulit ito. Ang order ni Sir is WE-M9 Gen 2. So made in Taiwan. Full metal din to. Black. So ayun yung unit. Okay. So mas elegant yung black na finish nito compared sa silver. So, check natin yung magazine kung may leak. Okay, dagdagan na natin kasi may full auto ito. Testing natin yung full auto. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. 30 counts. Then 10 shots. 10 shots. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 shots. Yan. So, check na natin yung unit. Yan, oh. Very elegant tignan. Mas elegant to kaysa sa silver. Para sa akin. So, full metal din to. May semi-auto din, full auto. Yan, then semi-auto. So, check natin. Yan yung BB. Okay. Full auto muna. For Sir Leonardo Reyes of Pulilan, Bulacan. WE-M9 Gen 2. Firing. Yan, para makita. Firing. Okay. Then semi-auto. Firing. Okay. So, thank you very much Sir Leonardo Reyes of Pulilan, Bulacan. Sa mga gusto ng COD dyan, COD nationwide po tayo. So, yan. Thank you very much.